This is not Nimbus Yosh, not of Soldiers of Light, at least not currently. I'm on the villain side with my level 30 villain. And you see this little bitch right here? You see this little bastard? His name is ZZYZYX. Hang on. ZZYZYX. This little level 7 whore is actually trying to block people from entering the new Spooktacular instance. Y'all villains is some bitches. Straight up and down. I'm doing a little villain work myself, and these little bitch asses just laying down, being bitches. Look at them. Level 7 ain't worth dick. Blocking all the other villains from doing what it do. See, this is why villains suck. Right here. Hoes like this. Just sitting here. Not doing nothing. Just don't know you on YouTube. Cause you's bitch. You's big bitch. Look at you. I'm teabagging villains and I'm a villain myself. He's bitch. He's bitch. He's bitch. Future member of Come Get Murdered. Future member of VG. Future member of Final Chapter. Future member of some bitch ass villain league I gotta stomp and make videos out of. Use a hoe. Terrible. Anyway. But I knew villains was a bunch of bitches. I knew it from the start. And yeah. That one of the biggest bitches possible. This is Nimbus Yosh Soldier Light doing what it do. Being a villain. Letting villains do what villains do best. Be bitches. Percy.